How to change Snapchat cover photo. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change background in Snapchat profile. So after you open your phone, go and open Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat app like this, go to your profile. After you open your profile, as you can see now, go to this public profile, this one. So from this section, if you want to change the background of your Snapchat cover photo, so tap on this, as you can see now, this icon. So from there, you can go ahead now and select the background photo that you want to add. Scroll to down like this. So now here is all your image. Here is all your pictures from your mobile phone. So go and select the one that you want to add. So for me, let's say now I want to add this one. After you select the photo, you can use your hand to resize it like this and this. So I'll just leave it like this. So I'll tap on this. I'll just zoom it back. Tap on this upload button. Now tap on this apply button. So now it said apply. Now tap on this. So as you can see now, I changed the background photo of my Snapchat. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe.